Hello, my name is Aldaf. I'm from Hamar class. I really enjoy this event because not only learn in this school but also outside the school. Like in this factory, we can apply our knowledge in biology and make products. Maybe someday I will make product and sell to everyone.
Hello, my name is Zahwa. I'm from Ibnu Mashishika. In factory visit, we learn about how to make Pocari Sweat and soy. We also played interactive game about ingredients of soy. Also taste the product fresh from the oven.